Vogel Ski Resort is our next destination. Our journey has started from Lake Bled. We are continuing from the last video to Bohinj. Bohinj Ski Resort, which is also known as Vogel Ski Resort, is very famous for its eye-pleasing sight. In the next episode, we will discover that. This resort was opened in the year 1964. This resort is located above Bohinj, next to Lake Bohinj. The nearest city is Bled. So what is the name of this place, brother? Vogel is the name, Slovenian name. It's a lake-based something?
Lake?
It's not a lake?
No.
Okay.
You have to go above.
Above? Okay. How much is the ticket prices? कहाँ से कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम लोग? From which point to which point?
समझ ही नहीं आ रहा मेरे को.
Like a ski hotel, from ski hotel to above. So basically हम लोगों का टारगेट है व्यू पॉइंट पहुंचना. टिकट का